Hello everyone. Today we are going to be doing an undecorate with me. I always hate this time of the year because I hate undecorating and putting away all of my Christmas stuff. Christmas decorations just make me feel so happy and cozy in the house, and when I have to put it away, I just get sad. So, if you would like to see me and my husband undecorate our lovely home, then just keep on watching. I have to be super careful with the village because it's so old. This is from like when my parents first got married and now I have it. So I have to wrap everything very, very carefully. And you'll see here in a little bit that usually I have like the popping paper, the wrapping paper. I don't know what it's called. But I ran out of it, so you'll see in a second that I was bringing the packing peanuts, and my husband was not happy about it at all. He hates cleaning up the packing peanuts, and he knows that every year that he's gonna have to probably clean some of those up. I don't think I showed you in the decorate with me that I made our cabinets look like presents. And we just got this little popcorn tin during Christmas time, and that's just where I stored them. Easy to put away, easy to get rid of, and at least I'll know where everything is. And the dreaded Christmas lights. We have so many Christmas lights that go on the outside of our house. I honestly want to say there's probably about 10,000, maybe more lights. I know it doesn't look like it because they're all intertwined together, but it is huge. And it took us hours to just get them down. It usually takes us hours to put them up, but it took us hours to just take them all down. And now we're just doing a bit of cleaning up since our house looks like a mess after putting everything away. I want to give my husband a lovely shout out for being so patient while putting everything away. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it here. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a bunch more clean with me's and other random videos that I have coming up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.